All right, so we're at the Lake George RV Park, just outside of Lake George, New York. We're gonna do a little driving tour and show you around the park a little bit, but first things first, you pickleball players, check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 very nice pickleball courts, all fenced in and divided. You'd like this. All right, let's go drive around the park. All right, so we're gonna leave the pickleball court section. So right straight ahead of us, that's actually the entrance. But there's a gate up here, or an attendant. We had to make sure we could actually do a tour before we started the video. So anyway, straight ahead of us is the entrance. Looks like a nice pool area over there. Okay, this is actually a huge park, so we will not go through the whole thing. We're going to drive through part of it. Diane, if you want to tell me which direction you might want me to pull, that would be good. So the French Mountain Trading Post and Office off here to the right.
I guess just go straight.
All right. We're looking at the map, and Diane pointed out that it looked like most of the sites in here are all pull-throughs, so we'll find out as we head on in. We'll pick a few to drive through and get an idea. Now, this is the first time we've been in this park. This is not a planned tour. So, should we turn here, Diane?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're just going to turn here and get an idea. So, there you go. That is a pull-through.
Well, they should all be pull-throughs.
Okay. So, it's treed. Look at the size. That's a pretty long pull-through. That's site 202, this is site 203, site 204. So again, there's site 206. I tell you, for the big rig in some of these sites, though, might be a little challenging, especially even pulling out. So
you haven't seen them.
Yeah, I haven't seen any real big rigs in here.
No.
Might be one up here, site 210. You get an idea again of the trees. So your satellite certainly would be no good in here. Now, there's a motorhome. He's probably 37 foot, maybe.
This one we might both fit.
Yeah, we would fit in that one.
But not many of them.
Yeah, there's you wouldn't pull through that.
No.
You fit in that.
And then to get out, I guess you'd go that way.
Let's look over here a little bit. There you go. Which way do we go, Diane? Left or right? Right? Oh, do not enter. We can't go that way.
Okay, don't go that way.
We won't go that way.
Well, they just kind of go.
All right, so we're going to skip a couple rows just to get an idea up here a little bit further.
Go down this one.
This one?
Pine tree.
All right, this is pine.
Because the other ones are short.
The other ones are short, okay. This might be one of the longer ones, Diane's saying, according to the map. But so we could easily pull into these. The trees are not real tall, but yeah, they're plenty tall. It's shady on a hot day. We would certainly scrape that tree getting in there, no way around it. Now we could do this, 282 be pretty easy. 283 getting in. All right, let's move on down here. Site 284 and 285. These are shorter too. They're not very long. Short.
It's a cutie. That's a cutie.
All right, go up on top of the hill.
Yeah, don't see anything long enough. Really?
There's site 283. Again, making it in this, see, we're triple axle, 42 foot. So getting in here, making that turn, not rubbing some of these bushes would be a challenge. So there's a motorhome. He's nestled in the bushes there. Yeah, 296. All right, is there an area that looks like a big wide open area, Diane? Because that gives an idea of this section right here.
This one over here, maybe.
Let's head over there. Now, how do we get there?
Well,
Up that road?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to, again, we're back on the main road right now for reference. We're going to shoot over here and see what we find. This is one of the main roads. This is Woodland Drive.
So you've got to.
Look there, here comes a, they have the trolley comes through, must pick you up here, take you into town, so that's a perk. All right, here we go. All right, so this is certainly more wide open. Pull through, that's 89.
89, so we're right here right now.
All right, so little play area right there. This must be 90 or 92. That empty spot is 93. Here where that cyclone is 94, and there's 95. Now we're getting into the tree. Now these appear to be far more wide open. They're 97, yeah. Plenty of room. 99, plenty of room. These are much larger sites over here. Long pull-throughs. 103. Just to give you an idea of the other side of the road over here, that's 106. Look at that one right there, 105.
Slopey.
There you get an idea there. Look at 107. There you got a tag axle, Class A, pulling a trailer. They fit in there just fine. So from what I'm seeing, there's 109. This would be the section we would come to if we come to this park. There's 111. This site is 115. Now where we go? To the left? All right. Okay, let's take a look down here. Anything down to the right there, Diane?
Not that I see. I don't even see a road there.
All right, so we won't go down there because there's no RV sites.
Oh yeah, no, the biking trail.
Biking trails down that way. So we'll bring up also that Diane sees on the map an extensive bike trail system in here. And how many pools? We don't know.
I guess just 2. I thought there was more.
So 2 pools, and again for us, look at that site, plenty of room. The pickleball court's huge plus. And there was also a basketball court we saw there.
They have bingo, they have horseshoes.
Okay, that's good. There's a stairway that takes you up to the main section. Yeah, so this is a much smaller section, but much larger sites. And then here we go. This road takes us back. All right, so there's another section that we found on the map as we pause there for a second. And we're going to go take a look at that so we get a rough idea of everything the place has to offer.
So this must be the area for the bark park. Oh, right there.
Ah, so straight ahead of us there, if you can see it through the trees, is the bark park. There you go. There's a sign.
Trolley
bark
stop.
Park. Huh?
Trolley stop.
Oh, and a trolley stop. Okay, that's good.
And if you can go up that way.
All right, we're going to turn here. Ah, there's a whole other park up there. All right, so these look like they're back-in sites, but look, good-sized sites.
Yep, all of these are back in.
But wide open. Certainly easy to navigate. You're relatively close with your neighbors.
Well, they're packed in this park.
Oh yeah, they're certainly packed in this section. This might be the most popular section.
Some nice ones over there. Should be a bike path up here.
Going straight?
Yeah.
Guess that guy's still hooked up or something. Well, still straight?
I think so.
All right, well, again, it's our first time through this park, so you're seeing it the first time with us and the only time with us.
There should be a bike path right here. At the corner. I don't see it. Wow. I don't see it.
So these are certainly smaller sites right here. Once you made that turn, this place tightened up. There's some big ones mixed in.
Unless we're here
So
now.
these are all asphalt sites. I'm not sure.
Oh
what we
yeah,
have.
right here. That's where we are then.
And there's the outdoor pool.
So let's turn around here.
Hmm?
Let's turn around here.
Diane says we're going to turn around here and go the other direction.
Because that just leads to parking around the building.
All right, so we're going to spin around. See what else we can find.
So yeah, these are parking lot area.
Yeah, parking lot area? Is that what it's called?
No, but
Oh, yeah, it's like a parking lot. It's all asphalt camping.
okay, now stay on the outer loop.
All right, here we go. And we're going to try to stay on the outer loop. And these are rentals, huh, Diane?
Those two,
Yeah.
because that's
Where's
right
this go?
there. That's just right there.
Oh.
Oh.
All right.
Well, I guess this doesn't go. Outer loop drive, and these look nice.
All right, so we took a wrong turn. You certainly would want to know where you're going with your rig before you come in here looking for your spot,
Yes, you would.
because you could certainly get into a predicament pretty quick. All right, so are we in the outer loop now?
We're in the outer loop. These are back ends, but you have parking across
All right, so back ends,
because they're not very
there's
deep.
site 28, and then you have parking on the opposite side,
Yeah, because they're not deep.
because they're not deep. We would actually be
No.
hard pressed.
Yeah.
We could probably not park over here. We're 42 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe up around the corner. Let's take a look. This is site 18 and 17 right there. Those are good sites there for 81 and
Yeah.
that 80, whatever that was.
82
that's
is
good.
on the end.
Those are good size sites. All right, and tennis courts. Tennis courts. Who plays tennis? At least they have pickleball here. So that's a huge plus for this place. So how do we get out of here? To the left?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we're going to work our way back up toward the front. See what we can find. This section right in here was pretty good size.
They have a paddle boat pond and a bass fishing pond.
Ah. So this section right down here by the tennis courts actually is pretty wide open. They're not ideal, but not too bad. And top of this hill off to the left there, we are back toward the entrance. There are the pickleball courts. And straight ahead of us is the pool. Then off to the right will be the exit. We're going to pass off our tour pass and move on.